The Sutra of Ksitigarbha Bodhisattva's original vow. The arrival of the great ghost of impermanence is so unexpected that a deceased one's consciousnesses first roam in darkness and obscurity, unaware of offences and blessings. For 49 days they are as if deluded or deaf, or as if in courts where their karmic retributions are being decided. Once judgment is fixed, rebirths are undergone according to their karma. In the time before rebirths are determined, the deceased suffer thousands of myriads of concerns. How much more is that the case for those who are to fall into the bad destinies? Throughout 49 days, those whose lives have ended and who have not yet been reborn will be hoping every moment that their immediate relatives will earn blessings powerful enough to rescue them. At the end of that time, the deceased will undergo retribution according to their karma. If someone is an offender, he may pass through hundreds of thousands of years without even a day's liberation. If someone's offences deserve fivefold relentless retribution, he will fall into the great hells and undergo incessant suffering throughout hundreds of thousands of eons. Moreover, Elder, when beings who have committed karmic offences die, their relatives may prepare vegetarian offerings to aid them on their karmic paths. In the process of preparing the vegetarian meal, and before it has been eaten, rice washing water and vegetable leaves should not be thrown on the ground. Before the food is offered to the Buddhas and Sangha, no one should eat it. If there is laxness or transgression in this matter, then the deceased will receive no strength from it. If purity is vigorously maintained in making the offering to the Buddhas and Sangha, the deceased will receive 1/7 of the merit. Therefore, Elder, by performing vegetarian offerings on behalf of deceased fathers, mothers, and other relatives, while making earnest supplication on their behalf, beings of Jambudvipa benefit both the living and the dead. After that was said, hundreds of thousands of millions of Nayutas of ghosts and spirits of Jambudvipa who were in the palace of the Triyastrimsha heaven made the unlimited resolve to attain Bodhi. The elder great eloquence made obeisance and withdrew.